Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAAI for another walk around video thanks to the good friends I have here at Insurance Auto Auctions. A lot of good friends up front. We're checking out all these cars. Check out, look at that. Look how many cars we have here on this lot. A little bit of everything, and I'm going to show you something new. It's the next day. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Okay, here's the car that's definitely on my list. This looks good from here. Yeah, this is the Volvo. Remember talking about the Volvo XC90 that I used to have and how much my family loved it? This is a 2017 Volvo S60 that I don't remember seeing that. Okay, well, we got a little dinger here on the back, so let's just kind of step around it and see what the problem is. I don't remember seeing that at all. I remember this, but ooh, okay. She got mashed up a little bit, so this may change a lot of things for me. So anyway, yeah, she got munched on. Land shark style right there. Thank you, Discovery, for your Shark Week and all my stupid shark references in everyday life. I've been trying to keep them off the channel. But, yeah, that's pretty serious. That could be a game changer. Let's see what the inside is like, though, because I do like the Volvo design. I really, really do. Let's just kind of see what we got here. Maybe she'll start, too, because all the damage is in the back, and people are probably afraid of that. Oh, well, those doors are sealed. Okay, let's step inside. We do have power. All right, let's, ooh, look at the push button right here. Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, well, she's not gonna start. The battery is trying. She's really trying, but dadgummit. Okay, start in progress. Please wait. The ignition is on. We're connecting somebody's phone, but yeah. I like the inside of this. This is really nice. No device connected. This is nice, kind of angled towards you. Air conditioner's trying to blow. Let's turn that off. Ignition is off. Is the time right? The time is correct. Look at that right there. Okay. Seats are super comfortable. I gotta tell you, I like the stitching. You got a sunroof and everything right here. How nice is this? It's comfortable, kind of a subcompact. Hope this guy doesn't hit me. Let's just kind of see what's this? There we go. Oh, I'm good. Thank you very much, though. Appreciate it. So we got this open. Somebody came by and offered me some water. Thank you very much. Yeah, how nice. Okay, so, uh-oh. That's a clip. How do you get this open? You'd think I would figure it out. Here we go. There it is. Okay. To open it, it's this side. There's your little Volvo engine. Whoa, are the shocks still good? That open wide. Holy moly, you get a lot of room to work on this. Okay. I don't know where you check the oil. Everything's covered up. Okay, windshield wiper fluid. Here's your coolant. There is coolant right here. Here's one of your ports for your air conditioning. Oil, I guess you check the oil through there is some in there. I guess you check it through the computer. That doesn't turn very much to close the port there. Okay, look at this. How easy would it be to change that engine mount? Yeah. And battery, I guess, here. Right here. Okay. Wow. Well, this is kind of cool. It's different. Really, really different. But look how this open wide, and she does. Yeah, she really, really does. Here we go. Close it. There it is. Okay. This is a 2017 Volvo S60. Mikey likes, except for the damage right there. That's disappointing. Doggone it. Check out my new best friend. This is a 2015 Chevy Suburban with the newer body style. There's the older body style, okay? This one is gorgeous. She is a pretty, pretty, pretty thing. Okay, damage on the bumper right here where you could probably just push back in. No issues at all with that because it still sits on the bar right there, so that's okay. We do have, this is scraped. This can be popped. Okay, we do have some right here. Yikes. She kind of rubbed against something right here. The tires are great. Wheels are very cool. Very much like the wheels. Once again, push this back in. It'll be fine. No problem. I could probably do that right here and save somebody 5 minutes. There we go. Okay. The back looks good. She's got a tow bar ready to go. No damage at all. Does she have power? She has power. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Wow. So you got three row seating, third row right there, and then you still have all of this room. Wow. This is a big car. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's close this. There it is. Thank you for your service. Let's go see what she's looking like on the inside. Okay, she has a flat over here. That's not a big deal at all. And a flat on that side as well. But the inside is what I want to see. Oh, okay, so they changed it up a little bit. Do I like it as much as the older body style in the inside? I don't like this as much as I like the older. Let's see what happens. Let's just see if she's going to give us a start. Okay, here it is. Oh, look at the dash. Very nice. I don't like that sound. Tire pressure is low. Of course, you got two flats right there. All kinds of information on the screen right here. A couple of ports, climate control, lots of storage. Okay, you do need a windshield. Look how big everything is back there. I don't like that sound. Let's just look real quick under the hood and see what's going on. Where is the hood release? Here. Okay. Is that something just hitting the fan? No. This is not good. Come on. Where's the release? Here we go. Ooh, that's a knock and a half. That's a knock and a half. Okay. Yeah, let's just turn this off. I don't want it to cause any more damage. Wow, that's unfortunate. Okay. But for the right person, this would be the right car. This would really be the right car. Let's turn this off. Okay, well, with the key right there where we found it, good place for your sunglasses. Oh, look, they have a little mirror right here. Shut up in the back. I told you, shut up. That's kind of neat. Okay. And how much room for the backseat passengers? Lots, I'm guessing. In fact, there's more entryway on the other side of the car. So let's go over here and see. Okay. Being very careful. You get cup holders. Third row seating back there with some leg room for the kids and yet more in the back. This is a big, big SUV. Whoa, and she could pull a house. If only she wasn't knocking. If only she wasn't knocking. Okay, we got to keep looking. Well, unfortunately, this is not the car for us, or the SUV for us, or the giant school bus for us, because this is a big, big freaking vehicle. So we're going to keep looking. Yep, we want to keep looking for another car that is perfect for us, or maybe you're going to find something that's perfect for you. Once again, thanks to everybody here at the Tulsa location of IAAI Insurance Auto Auction. They are super nice, they are super friendly, and they have a whole bunch of cars that you need to check out. Also, check out the merch. Yeah, I got the hats coming very, very soon. I have all kinds of shirts and hoodies and things below here from Teespring, so please check those out. And of course, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye.